Hey guys, welcome to this exclusive video on index and match function. These two are very valuable function, and if you use them together, it will create wonders for you. I'll explain how do we use it, and for that I would be using a small data set here, right? So this is a data set of a marketing performance. So you can see you have a KPI here like impressions, clicks, sales, orders, spent, and cost of advertisement, and he had the values month and month. So April, May, June, then he have a quarter one, then he have another months, another set of months, and another set of months. So let us say I have a question. So this is a small data set, but imagine a situation when you are in real office scenario where you have hundred of rows and hundred of columns, and you would like to figure out something. So how do we find out? So what I am going to do, let us say I would like to find out what is the value of orders, or let's say for spend. So what is the value of spend in quarter two? You can navigate and you can figure out, but let us use technology and let us use index and match method to find out. So what I'm going to do, let us see what it says if we straight away go ahead and use the function index. Okay, it's asking me to tell me the array. Okay, so I have this complete array. Okay, and I'll push F4 to lock my reference. Then it is asking me for the row number. So spend is where, spend is where. Okay, this is first row, this is second row, this is third row, this is fourth row, this is fifth row, this is sixth row, right? That is what you had to give, but you cannot count it manually, so use a function called match. Okay, I'm going to use match. Now what happens, match would give you the relative reference, relative numbering for any particular value. So I would like to match spend. Let me just lock it, comma. I would like to look out for spend in my this array. Let me lock this as well. I'm locking it for some specific reason. Even this formula works even if you don't lock it. Okay, comma, and I would like to go for exact match. I'll say 0. So my match would give me an answer as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the spend, comma. I'll go back to my index formula, and now it is asking me for the column number. So column number, for column number again, our quarter 2 is here. So I don't know what would be the column number. So again, I'll use match function here. I would like to look up this value. Let me lock it, comma. This is the lookup array. Here's the lookup array. I'll again lock it and 0. So now your first match will give you row number, your second match will give you column number, and your index will give you the point of intersection, the cell which is on the X row and Y column. Let us hit enter. Okay, and here is the answer. Okay, let me just quickly change it into comma marker. So what is the answer manually? If we check it, quarter to spend is 707,730, 707,730. So this is how, if you don't know where, in which column or in which row your values lie, you can use index method. It is in a way a combination of VLookup and XLookup, or recently launched XLookup as well. If you don't know about XLookup, please click on the above link. Right, so you understood how do we do it. Now let's make it a little bit more interesting. What I'm going to do, let me insert one column here. Okay, and this time I would like to have let's say I would like to have q1. Okay, let me copy paste same formula here. Okay, but you know we had locked reference as q2, so I'm just going to change q2 here. Okay, so you get it 213816, 213816. Let's take q3 and q4 as well as q4, my mistake, and q4 as well. Okay, and then I'll use the same formula here as well. I'll just change the reference. That's pretty quick. You don't need to change the formula that way, right? And I'll change the reference here as well. Alright, so you get q3. Yep, that's correct. q4. Isn't it pretty easy? Right? And instead of spend here, what I'm going to do, I would like to do a data validation here, and I'll make it a list, and I'll choose this 5. So now what you can do, you can choose, and it gives the appropriate values there. Right, so you can check out for impression, you can check out for others, you can check out for spend, so on and so forth. Isn't it interesting? Now let's do a little bit more further. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy all this formula here. Right, so now I have sales, but these values are not changing. Right, why? Because this has to be order here, this again has to be changed here, this again to be changed here, and this again has to be changed here. So let me just do sales here. So you can check now spend versus sales. Okay, quarter on quarter. And to make it more interesting, what I am going to do now is I'm going to insert chart for this. Alright, let us insert comparison chart for this. Okay, so let me just, I need a few more spaces here. I'm just going to let me, it's always good to use, you know. Alright, so let us now put the chart a little bit forward here. So while you make a marketing KPI comparison, so you can see now you can quickly compare here. Let me just get rid of these as well. Okay, so you can compare your spend versus sales, or at any point of time if you would like to have impressions versus sales. Nope, I would like to compare impressions versus clicks. Okay, and you see the second graph falls down. So what I'm going to do, I would take a secondary access for this. If you don't know how to do secondary access, we have a dedicated video up there, so you can set second, and I'm going to make it okay secondary graph. Right, so it gives you a very good indication. You know, the sales is going up, the spend is also gone up, the sales has gone up, the impressions have gone up, clicks have gone up, the impressions have come down, and clicks and come down. So the kind of marketing activity have been done pretty easily, pretty good, right? So when you use index and match together, you can literally do wonders, not only in terms of calculation, but also it helps you beautifully create a dashboard for you where you can change the values, and you can, you know, just do some very beautiful things. I am going to make a video on dedicated dashboard using this dynamic tool. I'll be posting it very soon. So for that, please subscribe to the channel so that you can get to know. And I guess it is good for today. So hope you enjoy and learned how to do index and match method functions. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.